Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this tutorial, we'll be making some ornaments out of these 2-inch discs. If you're interested in seeing that video, stand by. So it is December 1st and it is 24 days before Christmas, and I thought since I'm not really feeling in the jolly mood, I would do some videos. Maybe they'll kind of spark it up. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So for this tutorial, we will be doing the acrylic ornaments. You've seen these before in different tutorials. I've used them for the sand, for the keychain. So I use these quite a bit, and you can do different things with these acrylic discs. That's why I like them so much. I will have them linked down below in the description box, and they will be linked to an affiliate link on Amazon. If you click it, it will take you to the page. I do get a small commission, but it's no extra charge to you. You'll also need some paint, some decals, some ribbon, and what else? Oh, some UV resin if you wanted to cover up your decals or your top coat of your ornament. I think that is all that you will need for this particular project. If there's anything that I missed, I will have it in the description box below. All right, so since that is out the way, let's go ahead and get started on this project. So I already went ahead and spray painted these acrylic discs. I just spray painted it. I think this was like berry pink. This was red, black, and something yellow. Then I after I spray painted it about 2 times, I put like the clear coat on there and then let them dry. I did not spray paint the back. If you wanted the back to be spray painted, you could just wait till the front dries and then go ahead and spray paint the back. There'll be ornaments, so it didn't really matter if I spray painted it or not. I did cut out a few decals with my Cricut machine just to save us some time. If you wanted to see other videos on that, I do have them. Just kind of go through them and see where we kind of walk through the cut part and the making, cut, print, all that part. I didn't want to make this video too long because it's not, too intense. Let's see. For the black one, I wanted to do like a little Tigger thing. Since I did this one with the Pooh, I wanted to kind of do a Tigger, Piglet. I think this one was going to be Pooh. I was going to do a Grinch one, but the decal didn't come out right, so I'll have to redo that. And I'm not sure about my Piglet, but we'll play around with it. And then this one will be Santa Claus. So let's start with Santa. So I don't know if you can really see it since it's white. It is the white beard, and then I have Santa's belt, and where'd I put the little buckle? And a buckle. So I just cut these out with the Cricut machine. And I believe I found this image from Google, and I just put in Santa's beard, made it into a, I don't know if it was an SVG or PNG, but you could just, you'll need transfer tape. I forgot to put that. You'll just put it into your system and make it into a SVG or print. But this is a SVG, and all you do is take your transfer paper, and I'm just going to align it at the top. And I'm not sure what measurement this is, but like I did with the other acrylic disc videos and how to make the images, you just put a circle, a 2-inch circle, and then you just size your image to fit into the 2-inch disc. So that's all I did. If anyone wants to know the specific size length, I'm sorry, y'all. My brain is not functioning very well right now. If you want to know the exact size, just go ahead and ask in the comments, and I'll go ahead and answer down below. All right. So all I'm doing is just placing the decal And in order for the belt to fit on the edge, all I did was slice. First I took the rectangle shape and a circle, and then I sliced it so you'll have like that clean edge on it. And also, if you're new to it and you don't know what I'm talking about as far as like slicing or anything like that, just ask me in the comments and I will do a video on it. And then of course this was just a little square that I took and made it into a little buckle. So that's Santa. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I like that one. Okay. This transfer tape, this is not Dollar Tree. This is Duck transfer tape. I think I got this from Family Dollar for like $3 or something like that a long time ago. I typically use the Dollar Tree transfer tape. However, it has started to get sticky for some reason. Like it leaves a sticky residue on my decal, so I stopped using it. If anyone has had that problem, if you could let me know what you use to kind of get the stickiness off. I guess I could use Gooby Gone, but that just seems like a whole lot of work for a decal. All right, and then you just take your ribbon as such. Here's my scissors, and I think I got this ribbon from I don't know if I got I don't think I got this from the Dollar, maybe Walmart. Yeah, I got this from Walmart. I have stuff for such a long time, I usually forget where I got it from. Okay, so we'll just leave that there. You know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Where's my, because this hole is really small, so you have to use something to get it through. So this is what, because the hole is really little. Nope, that's not what I use. Here we go. So I use this dotting tool, and I think I got this off of Amazon a long time ago when I was going to do dots on a tumbler, but I just never got around to it. Like, you know how you see a craft and you be like, ooh, I can do that, and then you get the stuff and then you're like, never mind. So that was this. So I got this dotting tool from Amazon a long time ago. Alright, and you just kind of stuff the ribbon in there until it gets to the other side. Okay, and then, very simple. Let me get my hot glue gun. You could just tie it if you wanted to, but all you're gonna do is just put like a little dot of hot glue there and pull the string so it hits the back of it. Oh, let me take this plastic off. I forgot the plastic was on there. Remember to take the plastic off of the back. That's a little Santa ornament. All right, and then you can put a decal on the back, baby's first Christmas, Christmas 2020, something like that if you want to. If you want to go the extra mile, but I think I just like it like this. I'm gonna wait till my hot glue gun warms up, and I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna get this hot glue gun because she is all nice and ready for us. All right, and we're just going to put a little dot. Uh-oh, I'm not in the camera. Hit a little dot right there. And you want to attach the ribbon when it's still hot. I really like hot glue because the stringy stuff is irritating, but it's quick. So, all right. So then after you attach both the ribbons, what you'll do is you'll just take a little dab of hot glue again, and then you'll just attach it to the back. And that way, once it dries, your ornament won't like twirl around on the ribbon or anything like that. It'll just kind of stay in place. See what I mean? The strings from the hot glue. Annoying. All right, so we did that one. That orange one is drying. I'll probably show you that one at the end because I'm sure it won't be the way I really want it to be. And this video is long enough, so somebody in the comments, that should have took 2 seconds. All right, so for the Pooh Bear, I just cut out a Pooh Bear face, measured it so it could fit into the acrylic disc. And you just, boom, here we go. And you can reuse your transfer tape. It is not a one and done. You can reuse it. And like I said, I like this one because it doesn't stick. My stuff is not sticky. All right, so that's the Pooh Bear. And I think I'm going to use black ribbon. And I'm not going to cut the ribbon as long as I did the other one because that was entirely way too long. You make your string as long as or as short as you want it to be. I'm going to take this off. And then you'll just repeat the process. You'll just stick the ribbon in the hole. Oh, I need to push that one through. And glue. Lord mercy, these strings. And then you'll just pull it again. Like such. And attach another little blob. Oh, why am I shaking? Jesus. Alright, and just attach it as such. And here we go. So that's the Pooh one. And you see Santa's is like the string is way too long, but whatever. And then that's Santa. So these are really cute and really quick to do. You can do them with your children, your grandchildren. If you wanted to, you had like a little shop or something, you can put them on a tree, sell them for about $5. And there you go. Alright, let me see if I can do this piglet one. right, so this is the orange one. I did mess up a little part right there, but I will go ahead and clear coat spray this one to protect the paint, and I'll put the ribbon through it and then add it to the rest of the collection. So that is the orange one right there, and then these are the other ones. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. All right, everyone, until next time, peace.